what is the let function in Kotlin actually useful for? Let is part of the so-called scope functions in Kotlin and can be called on any type of object. And let is really what map is for lists for individual objects. And when we think of mapping a list like here, where we map each item of this numbers list to its square, then let really does nothing different, just that it only maps the object that we call it on. So not a whole list, but just a single object. So if we just have a single number like 2 and we call let and then map this to its square, then the assigned results, or the map number in this case, will be 4. But this is also commonly used for type-safe null checks. So if you have something like this, where you have a nullable string, which could change from multiple threads, for example, then with the normal if statements, we would always need these additional null checks here, because if we remove this, then the compiler can't be 100% sure that this nullable string at this place is really not null. However, if we add the null check like this with a let, then the let function will actually capture the current value of that nullable string, which in this case can only be nullable. So here we don't need that additional null check.